Hi guys. Today we're gonna looking for that server-side template injection is a basics one. So many people ask about like a extra mail challenge form that how to do for that. Okay. So just I'm doing from the demo from that because I reset that and I'm doing from there. Okay. So in this lab, so they already giving like what the URLs and everything. So right now we're gonna directory identify the directory and the text TXT file. Okay, so when you learn about the correctly the path from the template injections PHP how from that, so let me see the injects like a hello up or something that a bracket, so we can easily identify that. Okay, let me move on that like my nmap. Okay, so like my virtual machines from that here. So in this virtual machine I already hosted from that, and then I'm logging that. Okay, here just enter the admin. Once is logged that, so I already create as many because I'm doing from the many labs from the okay the forms. Okay, so nothing do, just go to the form. When you open the when you log in that first time, it will showing like the add new form. Okay, it's nothing showing that this one. Okay, just click the add form. Once you click the add form, so you have to go to the select any form like a internal or external something, but I'm selecting from the internal form. Just click the internal form. So here you can, it's a depends on you how you want to give the names. I'm giving like allow some things. Okay, so I'm gave like a law one. Okay, so just demo webs. So Ans is giving like the form name. Don't need to change anything. Just add it from the add form. Once is went to once you add the form, you have to go to the like view. Under this view you can see that I'm right. So these already have some basics form what is that and everything. So right now I'm going to add for the like add new group. Okay, here I'm going to test it from that because this is like what is that exactly the PHP or what is that and everything. Okay, so here I'm going to demo sessions. I'm just testing it from like a 7 bracket and everything. So just I'm creating that group and just add that. Once we add, so you can see that I'm right, it's a 49. It will showing here you the 49, it will be appearing from that. So under 49, okay, so we know about that. So what is that? This is like a PHP versions, that means Python, or maybe it's Python. Okay, so it's like a, see, yeah, this is a Python. So we can execute the command from easiest way because this website has built like a PHP, so we can easily identify the directory when and everything because we know about the like a basics execute and everything. Okay, so you can go to like our nmap. So not nmap. Sorry for that. Okay, I'm always using nmap that. So that would be okay. So just you can type because we need to identify the directory. Okay, just you can add like a exe. Okay, you can bracket and add the ID because we need to know just testing from that and everything commands. Okay, just I add like a and add that. Okay, see, it's a directory is www.data and directory because it's we know but this is website. Okay, develop, so we know the exit some command from that. Okay, so now we can easy to execute the command. So here let me check the directories. Okay, what are the directories available from there? Just type ls. Okay, this under this directory only have like a page view. Okay, now I'm going to do some directory to easily identify. Okay, now I'm directly moving to like what the directory path website web URL. So we always that all the execute the command the website web URL has execute like a war and www. Okay, so here under this HTML. Okay, just when you give like this ls, okay, the basics command like ls. So Then when we enter this, okay, here is okay, everything is fine, www. Okay, when you enter this, it will show the directory. Under this directory, so the vendor. Okay, now we need to identify exactly the flag. Okay, so under this flag, so let me go to the, yeah, the lab session. So let me, I will go to the lab sessions. Under this we need to hidden txt file, the exactly they say the txt. So we can easily identify the txt file. So we know about the like execute command. Okay, so here let me double click. Okay, here I'm going to do, after html I'm put the slash and star dot tst. I'm giving the tst extensions because we need to know about that. So here I'm just add nothing adding from, just I'm checking from that if there is any txt file as showing that. Once it's add that, it will show, I think, yeah, is license txt only. So then we need to rewrite all the txt file. Okay, so here I will do one thing again, execute tst here, same command, and put it from like a r. So what is that? So here, because I'm additionally add r, so what exactly you think this is like a break in like a file executive? Oh, so file executive. Okay, so that would be, so file, let me like a file directory. Okay, so I'm just typing from that, just enter that. So when you enter this, so it will show the txt file where it is that. So this is the file, so we need to execute the file from here. Just copy the txt file. Okay, here you can put that, you can come to here. So just type here, just paste it in this txt, and here when we read this cat, so we know that, right, it's a cmd, we can type in the linux, we can use the cat. So I'm here, I'm using the cat. So I'm checking that everything is perfect. Okay, so just when you update that, that flag will be appearing from you. Okay, here I'm not going to use showing as a flag, so you can do from the demo, and you can try with the TryHackMe. So much better, I think. When you learn something the server side, okay, you can do the, be careful with when you're reading and everything, execute commands, how we can do for that and everything. Read the more article and you can get the more. Okay,